right, now we've moved the cone to the inside there. Let's see if we can get some kind of inside clipping going on. I'm gonna have my little brother go first here. You got it.
Whoa. Whoa, way too much.
Yeah. Are you in third or fourth? Let's see what he's got here. Second try. That's all good.
It comes down so much like faster.
Are you in third? Not bad. Very close. Keep her going. Oh. That was kind of close. Let's see what he's got here. You got it. He's getting it to swing out. We've been going for a while now. Last try. That's it. That's last try. Yeah. We're all getting tired. I'll try for a few and then we'll end it there. Hey, that's not bad though. It's all good. Give this a couple shots and call it. Oh no, it's full. Hold on, I can just roll it back a bit here. No. There you go. Yeah.
Oh, I forgot how the fucking goes. Oh.
I should have downshifted. Like that. You good? You done?
Yeah, I'm done.